Ever wondered how certain foods can ignite your body's fat-burning hormones? Welcome to the fascinating world of hormonal fat burning. You see, hormones aren't just about mood swings or body changes during puberty. They play a crucial role in weight loss and metabolism regulation. Picture them as your body's chemical messengers, directing traffic between your cells to regulate processes like growth, repair, and energy use. Now imagine if you could harness the power of these hormones to melt away unwanted fat. Well, that's precisely what hormonal fat burning is all about. It's the science of how certain foods can stimulate the production of hormones that help your body burn fat more efficiently. But it's not just about weight loss. These hormones are also essential for optimal body function. They regulate your blood sugar levels, control your appetite, and even play a role in how your body stores fat. And the key to unlocking their potential lies in a balanced diet. So, are you ready to switch on your body's fat-burning hormones? Let's dive into the specifics of these fat-burning foods. First up, foods that boost leptin and adiponectin, the hormones responsible for managing your body's energy balance. Now let's dive into the world of omega-3 fatty acids. You've probably heard about them before. They're found in foods like fatty fish, nuts, seeds, and avocados. But did you know they play a crucial role in boosting your levels of leptin and adiponectin? Leptin, often referred to as the satiety hormone, communicates with your brain to regulate your energy balance by inhibiting hunger. It's like your body's internal food police telling your brain when you've had enough to eat. On the other hand, adiponectin is a protein hormone that modulates several metabolic processes, including glucose regulation and fatty acid oxidation. In simpler terms, it helps your body burn fat. So, how do omega-3 fatty acids come into play? Well, research indicates that these healthy fats can increase your leptin levels, which in turn helps your body recognize when it's full and reduces overeating. But that's not all. These fatty acids also stimulate the production of adiponectin. With more adiponectin in your system, your body becomes more efficient at breaking down fats, leading to a reduction in body fat. Picture this, you're enjoying a delicious piece of salmon or a handful of walnuts. Not only are you savoring the flavors, but you're also giving your body a fat-burning boost. How great is that? And the benefits don't stop there. Omega-3 fatty acids are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can promote overall health and well-being. So not only are you supporting your weight management goals, but you're also nurturing your body in a holistic way. So let's recap. Incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your diet can increase your leptin and adiponectin levels, helping your body recognize when it's full and enhancing its fat-burning capabilities. Plus, you're promoting overall health with their anti-inflammatory benefits. Remember to include these omega-3 rich foods in your diet for a fat-burning boost. Next, let's talk about foods that stimulate your human growth hormone and testosterone. Now, when we think of muscle growth and fat burning, one hormone that often comes to mind is the human growth hormone, or HGH. This hormone plays a vital role in stimulating muscle growth, aiding in cell repair, and even boosting metabolism. But how do we naturally stimulate the production of HGH? The answer lies in protein-rich foods. Lean meats, for instance, are a great source of high-quality protein. Consuming lean meats like chicken, turkey, or lean cuts of beef can help your body produce more HGH. This is because protein provides the necessary amino acids that our body needs to produce this hormone. So, by including lean meats in your diet, you're essentially providing your body with the building blocks it needs to produce HGH. And let's not forget about eggs. Eggs are not only a great source of protein, but they also contain essential amino acids and vitamins that can help stimulate HGH production. Plus, they're versatile and can be included in your diet in numerous ways, from scrambled eggs for breakfast to a hard-boiled egg as a snack. Similarly, dairy products are another great way to boost HGH levels. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are all packed with protein and contain amino acids that can stimulate the production of HGH. Plus, they're also a great source of calcium, which is crucial for bone health. But that's not all. These protein-rich foods also stimulate the production of another important hormone, testosterone. This hormone is essential for both men and women, playing a key role in muscle growth and fat burning. Just like with HGH, consuming adequate amounts of protein can help stimulate the production of testosterone, aiding in your weight loss journey. So if you're looking to shed some pounds, don't skimp on the protein. Include lean meats, eggs, and dairy products in your diet to stimulate the production of these crucial hormones. Protein is a key player in your weight loss journey. Remember to include it in your meals. Ever heard of glucagon and thyroid hormones? They play a huge role in your metabolism. These power players are like the engine behind your body's fat-burning machine, and certain foods can help rev them up. Let's dive into how whole grains, fruits, and vegetables can help activate these hormones. Whole grains are a powerhouse of nutrients and fiber. They've got a fantastic ability to aid the production of glucagon, a hormone that works against insulin to free up the fat stored in your body and use it for energy. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't just bypass the whole grain aisle. Grab that whole wheat bread, brown rice, or quinoa. Your body and your metabolism will thank you. Now let's talk about fruits. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packed with fiber and natural sugars. These elements help in stabilizing blood sugar levels, which in turn stimulates the production of glucagon. So go ahead and enjoy that apple, those berries, or that juicy orange. They're not just tasty, they're working hard to keep your metabolism ticking along nicely. And let's not forget about vegetables. These fiber-rich foods are essential for a healthy thyroid, the gland that produces hormones regulating your metabolism. Cruciferous veggies like broccoli, cabbage, and kale are particularly beneficial. They are rich in antioxidants and minerals like iodine, which are crucial for thyroid health. So, don't skimp on your greens. They're essential fuel for your metabolic engine. Finally, it's important to remember that these foods aren't magic bullets. They're part of a balanced diet that supports overall health. So pair them with regular exercise and plenty of water for the best results. A healthy metabolism is key to weight loss, so don't neglect your fiber intake. Lastly, let's discuss foods that can help manage your cortisol levels. Cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone, plays a significant role in our bodies. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, metabolism, and inflammation. But when cortisol levels are too high, it can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Luckily, certain foods can help keep this hormone in check. One great example is dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate, particularly those varieties with 70% or more cocoa, is rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants work to lower cortisol levels, helping to reduce stress and promote fat burning. Plus, who doesn't love an excuse to enjoy some chocolate? Moving on, we have green tea. This soothing beverage is packed with antioxidants known as catechins. Studies have shown that these catechins can help reduce cortisol levels and promote fat burning. So, next time you're feeling stressed, why not brew yourself a comforting cup of green tea? Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are another cortisol-busting food to incorporate into your diet. These little fruits are bursting with antioxidants and vitamin C, both of which have been shown to help manage cortisol levels. They're also a delicious and healthy addition to any meal or snack. Don't forget, while these foods can help manage cortisol levels, moderation is key. Overindulging, even in healthy foods, can lead to weight gain. So be sure to balance your intake of these cortisol-managing foods with a varied and balanced diet. Remember, managing stress is not just about diet. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, and taking time to relax and unwind are all important aspects of stress management. So, while enjoying these foods, also take time to take care of your overall well-being. Managing stress levels is crucial for weight loss, so enjoy these foods in moderation. Now that we've explored these hormone-boosting foods, you're well on your way to a healthier lifestyle. We've discovered how foods like flax seeds and salmon can stimulate hormones like leptin and adiponectin, helping regulate our metabolism and control our appetite. We've also seen how human growth hormone and testosterone, our muscle-building and fat-burning hormones, can be enhanced through specific dietary choices. Let's not forget the role of glucagon and thyroid hormones in fat burning and metabolism regulation, as well as the importance of cortisol management for stress reduction and overall health. These foods aren't just delicious, they're also your allies in weight loss and health improvement. Let's make a pact, shall we? Let's start incorporating these hormone-boosting foods into our meals, one step at a time. It's not about a complete diet overhaul overnight, but about making small, sustainable changes that can lead to big results over time. Remember, a balanced diet is key to weight loss. Start incorporating these foods into your meals today and watch your body transform.